Want to learn Snowflake but wondering how to create an account? Don't worry, Hemant TechTalk is there for you. I will help you to create a complete free account in Snowflake and get $400 in your Snowflake account. So without wasting any second, let's head on to our topic. So if you guys don't know what is Snowflake, let me tell you in simple. I hope everyone knows it, that's why you clicked here. But still, even if you don't know, Snowflake is a powerful cloud data warehouse used by thousands of companies for fast and scalable analytics. Exactly. Snowflake is used for data staging, data handling, data analysis, data computing, data storage, everything. It's also an ETL tool, or you can even use it as ELT tool. So this Snowflake is currently booming in the market, and if you are a data engineer or data scientist, you must know about this software. So before going to the practical, let's focus on little bit theoretical. There are three types of addition in this Snowflake account. So the first one is standard one, the second is enterprise, and third one is the business critical. Let's see one by one what are they and which one should you choose. So first one is the standard. Standard is for the individuals and the small teams. Key features, all core Snowflake features like warehouse database, etc. But yeah, here it is saying it's for individual and small teams. So as you are learning stage, you should choose this, but we are not choosing this. Let me tell you why. The second one is enterprise version, the mid-size companies, and key features includes time travel features, better security controls, and more, which are not available in the standard version. I have already created two videos on Snowflake key features. One is time travel and another one is zero copy cloning. You must watch this. That's an amazing mind-blowing feature. You should watch that. And the third one is the business critical. It's for regulated industries, includes SIPA, PCI, compliance, and failover replication. Yeah, for now, you should not concentrate on this. HIPAA is basically for the data which are used in the hospitals, so they are very crucial. So that these kinds of data will be handled by the business critical, and PCI is for the payment that is also a very crucial data. And the failover or the replication is, suppose you have chosen your region as Mumbai, and suppose the Mumbai region fails, then this failover will help you to connect with the another region, suppose Singapore, and it will never fail. Understand? I hope you understand. Sorry, there was a typo here. I have added the standard. Let's not go with the standard because many of the features will be not available in the standard, like time travel and zero copy. Those are not available in the standard version. But we want to know and explore each and every feature of the Snowflake. That's why we are choosing the enterprise version. I hope everything is clear. Yeah, so little bit more theoretical. When you create a Snowflake trail account, you get $400 worth of credit that you can use, spend over 30 days, next 30 days. You can use it for running queries, storing data, and even exploring advanced feature. Choose standard edition unless you are part of the enterprises or a compliance heavy environment. But still we will choose the enterprise edition because we want to learn more features of the Snowflake, and in the companies all most of them will be using the Snowflake enterprise edition. But what if you burn the 4000 credits before the 30 days? What will happen? Let me tell you what happened. If you use up all your 4000 credits before the 30 days or over, your trail account will be paused and access to the paid features will be stopped. Yeah, it's clear. It's clear. You won't be charged, but you can't run queries anymore. You can't use warehouse or computation. You can still log in, view metadata, and explore your data, but you can't use paid services. If you want to use that services, you have to pay, of course. Yeah, so now you can see my screen. First, you have to open and search create Snowflake account. Click on the first website. Here it will first ask the basic details. Let's add the basic details. Working email should be correct. Where are you signing in? You can choose anything, but companies considering Snowflake, I prefer you to choose that. Here you have to choose a company name. It's an optional, you can choose anything, but I will choose my company name. What's my data job? I'm a data engineer. Data engineer. Choose your Snowflake edition. Yeah, in the earlier video, I have explained this edition. Yeah, you too go with the enterprise edition instead of standard. Standard will consume the less credits as compared to the enterprises, but enterprises will let you explore more features, so I prefer you to choose the enterprises version. Here you can choose your cloud provider, here Azure, AWS, or the Google cloud platform. Let's choose AWS. Even I prefer you to choose AWS. I think Mumbai is not available. The another Asia specific is Singapore. If you see Mumbai, choose it, else go for the Singapore itself. Get start. If you want to check what's your interest, you can check, or even you can skip it. Which select your preferred language to work with. This will also you can skip if you want. After that, you will receive an email to verify. Let's check whether I have received or not. Yes, sometimes it takes a few minutes. For me, it has taken 5 minutes. So you will receive an activation email like this. And main thing, somewhere you have to save this link, because whenever you have to access it again, you need that link. So yeah, here it is saying welcome to Snowflake, Hemant TechTalks. Please choose a username and a password to get start. This is very important. You should remember your username and password. So let's add some username and let's get start. Remember, you should not you should not add any special characters, and it should be between 14 to 28 and at least contain one number and one uppercase and one lowercase. Let's get started. Yeah, it's saying how you want to start. Let's keep it for now. And here you can see the fresh UI for the Snowflake. So this is the home page. Here you can see trail ends in 30 days and you got your $400 credits. By selecting create, you can create the multiple your tasks. You can create the Python worksheet, SQL worksheet, notebook, etc, etc. And if you have any worksheet, you can search it, or you can search your, it's an universal search, so you can search anything, database, schema, anything. Your projects will be here, whether it may be worksheet, notebook, anything. And your database will be here. Inside the database, this is the default database by the Snowflake. And here there are more options. You can monitor. Monitoring is one of the best option, I can say. It monitors literally everything, at what time, what query you have ran, and everything. It monitors each and every single data. So this is very important, and this will even monitor what query cost how much, and still how many remaining, how many you have burnt, everything. And at the end you will be having the admin access. Once you create the account, I advise you to explore by yourself. When you explore by yourself, you will get to know more things about it, so it will be very helpful. And here you can see the main thing. That's my account. This the another. This is just now created, and this is my admin. You can see more here, and at the end you can see the sign out. So for today, let's end it here. In the next video, I will come with the new tricks, and let's explore many things. I will let you help you can utilize your less credits with exploring more things. So everything will be discussed in the next video. So stay updated till the next video. If you found the video was informative, please make sure you hit the like button and share this video to your friends. Let them learn this Snowflake too. And from now the continuous video will be coming, so you will be learning lot things about Snowflake. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you.